Good evening, guys. How are you? I hope you guys are doing very well. Today's video is gonna be different. It will be short video, no more long videos because I know it will be boring for a lot of people. Let me go to the point. How we can identify the very strong support and resistance levels. As simple as that, the strongest support and resistance levels will always be identified with a long wicks. So for example, in this chart of me, I have the GBP Canadian and I am on the 15-minute chart. I here have a long wicks at this reversal, at this resistance line. I have here a long wick of this support, and here I have also a long wick at this resistance, and we have here also. So if I want to draw lines here, I will draw my lines at absolutely the top or the bottom of the wicks. So if I want to draw my support line here, I will do it like this. Okay, and you can see how the candle has reversed exactly at the same point of drawing this line. Oh shit, it was here and here and here and here. Okay, if I want to draw my other line on the top of this wick here, we can see, guys, since this is a resistance, so we have to wait for a bearish breakout candle, which is here, this long British this long bearish breakout candle, the red one. So after this candle, I need to enter at the resistance with the sell order, and you can see here the reversal happened exactly at the same level, and I know it because I mark my line at the top of the wick at this resistance here. So this is a strong resistance level, and this also a strong support level. Let's see this one here, for example. Let me draw my resistance line here, and let's see. I had to wait for this breakout candle. Actually, that one didn't really work quite well here, and that is normal, guys, because there is no working strategy 100% of the time. So let me move to another trade, another example, so I can show you. Here, for example, I have marked this one already. If I want to see here, okay, we have this opportunity, guys. Look at this. We have here long wicks here at this resistance, so I will put my line at the top, and you can see here, guys, the breakout candle, and here I can place my sell order immediately at the same level I am on now. So the trade has been opened, and you can see I'm very close to be in profit immediately. So the trade has been opened, and you can see I'm already, guys, in profit. So I will set my take profit to be at the next nearest support, which is here, giving me 12 pips, and that is actually very good for a scalping trade. So again, how do I know that this level here is good to entry? Because if I look at the left, I see a long wicks here, and even these two long wicks. So this is a strong resistance level. You can tell it is strong just by seeing the wicks. Let me move to another trade. Look at this, guys. This is nice one. We have here this resistance with the long wick, and we can see the breakout candle, the bearish breakout candle. And right now I'm going to place my sell option because this is the right time. I will be in profit immediately. Check it out. Look at this. Now I'm going to set my take profit to be at the next nearest support, which is here. The same reversal happening. 10 pips. Look at the level, guys. Watch how the candle is reversing and giving up to the strength and the power of this level here. So I will just pause the video and see what happened to our trades. Okay, I had to unpause the video now because I think I have missed a very important rule. Right after the breakout candle, we can see that there is a reversal already happened. If you look at the history, guys, check this out. The candle has already went up here and reversed. And since I have explained many times that I'm entering only the first attempt after the breakout, we can see that the candle now not respecting this level because the reversal has already happened right after the breakout, meaning this trade maybe is a loss and I'm going to close it in loss, and that is totally fine for me, no problem, because I will recover from other trades. Our other trade, however, is in profit because this is the first candle to touch this level after the breakout candle. Let me go to another trade and show you how simple and easy this strategy is. Of course, this is the same scalping strategy. I'm just explaining to you where exactly to enter. I'm just looking to see any valid setup. Okay, here guys, yes, like this. I'm relying on the long wicks, and seeing here, we can see long wicks here touching this resistance level, and I see the breakout candle. So I hope I'm not late. I'm going to immediately place sell option here, and the candle is going to reverse immediately at this level, and I will set my take profit to be at the nearest support, which is here. So look at this. Candle is already reversing at this strong level, and we can see it has already reversed here also. And if you set your take profit at the next nearest resistance, you will be in profit. So far, this one in profit is going below our trigger area. Let me see the first one. This one is struggling with it, but I'm not afraid of it. I'm sure it will reverse and it will go down to hit the nearest support. Let me move to another trade and show you how we can do this. Okay. Here I have, but it already happened. You can see I marked my resistance at the top of this wick here on this resistance line, but we can see that there is already a reversal happened here and another one here. So this one will not be actually ideal to enter. Let me move to another example. Hopefully I can find one. So let me see here. Where is the resistance, the strong resistance lines? We can see here long wick. And yes, look at this, guys. I have marked this long wick here as my resistance. Looking at the left, we have the breakout candle. And right after the breakout candle, we see the candle also went up, touched this level, and reversed until the nearest resistance. And you can see if you enter sell order here, set your take profit here, and you will be fine in profit. Let's see here. Here we have actually, I don't see long wicks for the resistance. I can see only this one here. Now here, this is a strong resistance level. So we have here the breakout candle. Now I have to wait for the candle to go a little bit up, and I will place my sell order here. That might take some time, so no need to waste your time, guys. Let me see where else. We have a long wick here. Yes, this is perfect. Oh, you see, guys, it already reversed. We have here this resistance represented by this long wick here. So after this reversal here, after this resistance, I can see a long bearish breakout candle, long red candle, and then I had to wait the reversal, and you can see the candle went up here and reversed. Maybe I can place another sell option if the candle go a little bit more up, because I don't want to enter late. That is 4 pips later. The 4 pips late is too much actually. 1 pip is more than enough. 1 pip is fine, but 4 pips, no, that is too late. I will not lose all this money for nothing. So let me try to find another valid setup. Where is the long wick? We have long wick here. And yes, guys, look at this. We have this long wick here at this resistance. Then we had the red breakout candle. Right after it, we can see the reversal happened here. And setting your take profit at the next nearest support will for sure give you the profit. So what I'm trying to explain to you in this video, that if you want to identify which level you should place your entry, just look for the long wicks at the support and the resistance. Both of them will give you the right answer. So now I have just explained how can you identify where you should enter. Let me now just go to the charts one by one and show you examples so you will not be lost. If I want to set my support, the strong support, or what we call actually the key support, it is here, because this is the longer wick. We have here the long wick, and we can also find it here at my trigger area, and you can see the candle is actually reversing right where I have entered, and so far it's in the money, it's in profit. GPP, GPY, where do we have? Now we see the reversal at a resistance. So if I want to take the reversal on a support, where I will go? I will wait here, guys, because I see this long wick here. So I will wait for the candle to come all the way down the same level of this wick here, and I'm going to place my buy option. Why? Because I also see here this bullish breakout candle, meaning now I can enter. If the candle will go down, I'm going to place my buy option. AUD USD, we need to see a strong resistance line, and let me show you. We have these long wicks here. These long wicks here, meaning this is a strong resistance line here. So we have here the breakout candle. So I will wait for the candles to go all the way up again, hitting this level. Then I'm going to place my sell. If I was looking for a support, if I was looking for a resistance, you can see, guys, this level here. This is a strong resistance, and it was also a strong support. So after the breakout candle, we can see how the candles are actually reversing here. So placing buy have given you a profit. Trust me, guys, this is a very easy method to know where are the strong levels you want to enter. For example, now for the USD Canadian, where should I place my sell option? I have two options to sell, either here or here, because both have long wicks, and I'm telling you, both of them will have a reversal. Both of them will have a reversal, and you can see, guys, the reversal has already happened. After the breakout, there was a candle, went all the way up with this long wick here, and reversed at the next nearest support, and therefore that gave you a profit. Now the next reversal will be at the higher one at this level here. It is very easy, guys, very simple. All you need to look for is the long wicks. Let me tell you how simple it is. Just look, guys, for two things: for the breakout candle and any wicks, any long wicks in its way. So for example, this long breakout candle, I can see the long wick at this resistance. So you can tell for sure now the candle is going to reverse after hitting the same level. So guys, this was the simple method to identify the strong support and resistance lines. Next video will be live trading using this method in the scalping. I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.